Okay, those of you that know me, some of you know and some of you don't know that I've spent the past couple of years working on folder designs. You know, thinking one day I'd have the milling machines and stuff like that to do that stuff. And then 2 years ago, I was at Blade Shows. My lovely wife was competing in Blade Sports International World Competition, and met up with Gregor's from Poland, and we got to talking about production licensing because he does a lot of that. And he asked to see some of my designs. So he put me in touch with a manufacturer that had approached him. Now things didn't work out with them, but I continued to work on designs, and in this package we have the very first prototype of a licensed design that is a collaboration with myself and Kansept Knives. They do pretty top-notch work, but we have the very first prototype, and I thought I would do a unbagging, since it didn't come in a box, video, because people seem to enjoy that, and y'all out there will be what makes this a success or not. So I figured I would share it with y'all first. So here we go. I've seen a lot of the knife reviewer guys talk about the knife they're opening with. This is a Greg Dashevsky custom knife. Package inside the package. Nothing else in the package. Box inside the package. Here we have the Kansept box. They do a pretty good job on packaging. What we don't have is the sleeve and everything. We have 1, 2, 3 variations that I've not even seen pictures of. So y'all are seeing them with me.
And the name of the knife is?
The name of the knife is the Havern. That's a Scandinavian sea eagle, specifically a white-tailed sea eagle, I believe. That is pretty nice. We have the covers, handles are 6AL4V titanium, same with the clip. Nice retention. Custom carbon fiber inlays. I don't know if you can focus on that. Looks pretty sweet. First flick, let's see. Oh yeah, it's smooth. Oh yeah, brand new in it. It already dropped shut. I'm gonna have to learn how to do the reverse flick thing, like a lot of the guys do, because I'm not one of the fancy kids. But I am ADHD as all get out, and I wanted to have multiple deployments, so it's extra fidgety. But that stainless Damascus, they did a beautiful finish on that. I don't know if you can see the finish in the video, but the finish on that is gorgeous. Let's